A system of two equations and their graphs in xy given. How many solutions does the system have? What do you think? How many solutions does the system have?
No solution. No solution.
But here I don't have no solution. Zero. I have. Yeah. The answer is zero since there is no intersection. Since it goes like that and this goes up, so they never intersect to each other. Okay? Okay, now what about 8? Can you look at 8? Shahadat, question number 6 you want? Shahid, number 6 or number 5 you are asking?
Infinite solution.
Okay, number 8. Concentrate, please, everybody. Okay, Shahadat, later. Okay, I will look at. Question number 8.
More than 2, or wait, no.
All together, trying, right? Not only one student. How many solutions are there for the system? Now be careful.
No.
Now, 2x. If I multiply by 2, or let me just tell you this one. Coefficient 2 over 1, negative 4 over 2, 8 over 4. So these are different. Since these are different, I have one solution, right?
So why it's different? How do we have one solution?
2 over 1. 2 over 1.
Okay, why it's not 0 since it's different solution? I mean.
Okay, one more time. Let us go simply. 2x minus 4y is equal 8. Can you tell me what is y here? Negative 4y, 8 minus 2x. So y is equal to 8 over negative 4, which is negative 2. Negative and negative will be simplified positive, 2 and 4, x over 2, which means y is 1 over 2x minus 2 from this. From the second one, 2y is 4 minus x. So y is 4 over 2 minus x over 2, which means y is equal to negative 1 over 2x plus 2. Now, when you look at here, their slopes are same or different. Check it. Slopes are same or different.
They are negative and positive.
They are different. Remember at the beginning of the lesson when the slopes are different, or it was into the 11 G2 I have told, I think. When the slopes are different, we have just one solution. Let's draw this together to see. When x is 0, y is negative 2. When y is 0, x is positive 4. So this is the graph. What about this graph? When x is 0, y is 2. When y is 0, negative 2 there, negative 2 times negative 4 and positive 4. So how many common points we have? 1 or 2? 1, right?
Yes, sir.
So let me give you a rule. Actually, I have told, I think, also today this rule. Okay. Guys, first line, let's say second line. Okay. Now, if ax plus by is equal to, you know this, okay? This format, you know. And if this is a, b, c, I use, so dx plus ey is equal f. So if we have one solution, actually I can say only one solution, exactly one solution, whatever, okay? The rule is this: A over D is different than B over E. We should say this. Okay? That's it. Now, if infinitely many solutions, infinitely many solution, A over B is equal to C over D is equal E over F. Okay? No solution, if no solution, A over B is equal to C over D, but this is different than E over F. Check it one more time, this. So one solution means A over D different than B over E. That's it. This is rule. Why we have this rule? The proof we are not talking now. We are just using, okay? Infinitely many solution means A over B is equal to C over D is equal to E over F. This is equal one number. K is any real number. No solution means A over B is equal to C over D, but different than E over F. So in our question, if we go back our question, where was the question? Here. Let's have a look together. I am cleaning this. And without solving, we can say how many solutions exist. And I prove it, I solve it. Now, here, A is 2. Let me copy here. A, B, C. A is 2. B is -4. C is 8. Do you have any question for this? 2, -4, 8. Any question? Yes, no?
No.
No question. What about for this? What is A before X? 1. What is B before Y? And this. So when you look at here, 2 over 1 is different than -4 over 2, yes or no? Yes or no?
Yes.
If yes, only one solution, finish. That's it. That's it. Is it okay or not? These are
Yes,
for lines, okay? That rule, which I have given here, for the lines. First degree equation. So this is one line here. This is another line. One more time, what is the rule then? I will share the screen with you in the Google Classroom. A over D, if different than B over E, we 100% sure that there is only one solution. They intersect to each other. Tamam? That's it. Now, if comes another question, we can talk. What about here? If the system has infinitely many solutions, be careful. It says that infinitely many solutions. Let's go back our note. Here I share with you. Where was it? Infinitely many solutions. When this is possible, check it. Infinitely many solutions. When this is possible, A over B equals C over T is equal to E over F. Okay? So let's go back now our question. I am writing A, B, C. What is A here? 2. What is B here? -5. What is C here?
There's no screen.
You can't see? Okay, 1 minute. Let me write from the beginning then. From the beginning. Now, if I say A, B, C, what is A here? Is it 2? Yes, no? Yes or no?
Yes.
What is B?
Minus.
-5. What is C?
A.
A. Do not consider this A and this A. It's different, okay? So what is A here? B.
B.
What is A here? What is B here?
10.
And what is C here? -8. What is the rule? 2 over B is equal to -5 over 10 is equal to A over -8. This is true when, if you have infinite solution. So let us use this equation. -5 over 10, isn't it when you simplify -1 over 2, right? -1, 2. Yes or no? Simplify. And then cross product. 2 times 2, 4. B times -1, -B. It means that B is -4. Any question? Any question?
No, Mr.
No.
Nothing.
Now, -1 times -8 is equal +8. A times 2, 2a. Divide by 2, a is 4. A is 4, b is -4. What is the question? Find what? What is the value of a? Find a. So what is a? +4, which means the question answer is C. Okay?
Okay.
So just the rule you should memorize. Now, for example, what it says, let me clean. Question number 10. One solution, be careful. If it has one solution, what is the rule? A over 3 different than 2 over -6. This is the rule. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes.
So 2 over -6. So cross product, a times -6. -6a different than 6. So a is different than -1. Then you divide by -6, -6. So what it says, which of the following cannot be a? So a cannot be -1. So this is the answer. Finished. When we know the rule, so simple. This is practical way, practical rule. Otherwise, you have to take y in terms of x, you have to plug in there, and then system, and then lots of things. Very complicated. But
Okay,
this is very simple. Okay?
Mr. I have a question.
Yes.
So you cross multiply it, right? A -6 and
Again,
2.
my dear, rule is this. Only one solution means A over B different than C over D. That's it. So A over B different than C over D. That's it.
Yeah, so you cross multiply to get -1.
Yeah.
Okay.
I mean, A over 3 must be different than 2 over -6, which is different than -1 over 3 when you simplify. -1 over 3. So this is 3, this is 3, this is 8, this is -1. Even you can think. Just logic, okay? Okay, let's go on. This is, as we did question number 1, just take it and put it here, and then you can get the result. What about here, question number 14? How many solutions are there to the system of equation? Check the coefficient. 3 over -2. Different than -6 over 4? Yes or no? Let's check. -6 over 4 means divide by 2, -3. Divide by 2, 2. So -3 over 2 different than -3 over 2? No, this is wrong. They are almost same. That means it cannot be one solution. Right? Yes or no?
Yes.
So now, what about infinity many solution? More than 2, it says. 3 over -2. This over this. What about 15 over -10? What is the 15 over -10? It is negative. 5 is divided by 5, 3. 10 is divided by 5, 2. -3 over 2. Look, -3 over 2, -3 over 2, -3 over 2. Is this case? A over B, C over D, E over F. They are all equal to each other. So this is infinity many solution. Yes or no?
Yes.
So the answer is D. And normally, how can you solve? Normally, how can you solve? A little bit. So I can say that this is 3, this is 2. So let's make it multiply this -2, multiply it by 3. I'm -2 here, 3 here. -2, 3, -6x. Negative and negative, positive 12y, -30, -6x. And what is that? 8y is -30. Look at now. This is almost same. This is almost same, but these are different. How could it be? Not possible. If this is equation, and if this is -30 and if this is -30, it could be just when y is 0. If y is 0, x must be 0, so it's not possible.
Mr. Didn't you multiply 3 multiplied by 4? 12.
Negative 3 to negative 6.
I mean here and here.
Positive 12. Let me check. Negative 6 and 12. Yeah. So, okay, let me write one more time. It was also strange for me. 3 negative to negative 6x. 3 and 4, 12, 5 is equal to negative 30. Now, so almost same, almost same, almost same. What does it mean? Everything satisfied. Everything. Everything means infinitely many. Infinitely many means more than 2. Okay? Now, this is simple. Take this y, put it here, and normal question. What about here? No solution. What is no solution? A over B is equal to C over D, but these are different than E over F. This is called no solution. No solution. You can take a note. So these two things are same, but right side different. So check it. 1 over 3 divided by 6. Negative 1 over 6 divided by negative A, different than 4 over 8. Yes, this is 4 over 8. It's clear. 1 over 2, so it's different. So these two things must be same. How could it be this is same? Calculation, 1 over 3 over 6, 1 over 18. 1 over 3 over 6, 1 over 18. Negative and negative, positive. 1 over 6 over A, 1 over 6A. So 1 with 1, 18 with 6A. That means A is 3. Okay, do we have? What is the value of A? Yes, A is 3, we have. Am I clear? Memorize, no solution means this.
So what's one solution when it's one solution?
This is no solution.
Okay, it is one solution.
One solution was A over B different than C over D. Different.
Okay.
This. Only one solution. Okay? For example, let us pass, no problem. Here it says you can use calculator. Since there are problems, we may have a look. Okay, let's have a look. Let's start from this. A restaurant has 2 types of tables. Shadet was asking question number 5 one more time. So, Shadet, this question it was, you were asking? Number 5? Shadet? Shahed? You forget. Can you repeat the last part of question number 5 you said? Yeah, I am looking the chat. So question number 5, quickly let me go. Quickly let me go. Is a solution of the equation? What is it? But not question 5, sorry. We didn't solve question 5. Did we solve question 5? No. It was something else. Chat screen, can you repeat the last part? But we didn't start the question number 5. Did we solve the question number 5, guys? Did we solve? I don't remember. If you need number 5, I can solve it now. No problem.
We didn't solve question.
I can't hear you.
We did not solve question number 5.
We didn't solve, right?
No,
Shadet, which question you want? If you remember, tell me. If not, we can go for this. Okay, let's solve this question. Just add them side by side, guys. Simple. 3x negative 3x, 0. Y and 2y, 3y. So negative 2x minus 2. So 3y positive 2x is 2. Here, interesting. 1 minute. Let me look at all. If xy is a solution, so we know that there is solution. We know that there is solution. So what is the x times y? Question, find x times y. How could it be? Normally, when I add them side by side, 3x negative 3x, 0. So 3y equals negative 2x plus 8 plus 10. No, not plus 10, minus 10. Minus 10, right? When we add them side by side, 3x negative 3x, 0. y 2y 3y. Negative 2x plus 8 minus 10. So it will be 3y equals negative 2x minus 2. 3y is equal negative 2 parentheses x minus 1. Maybe I can say. It's a little bit complicated now. Do you see anything? So y is equal to negative 2 over 3x minus 1. Question is find x times y. This is a little bit strange question. I think we should think something else. How could it be, guys? Think a little bit. How could it be?
Mister, can't we substitute? Like,
But the problem is we are eliminating, but we should get xy.
We can just substitute.
So we should multiply then. But substitute, yes, substitution could be. Good idea. Why good idea? Which one is easy? Let's say this one, okay. Negative 3x plus 2y is equal to negative 10. But instead of y, if I put x, it will be everything in terms of x.
And then we will find y.
Okay. Yeah.
We can.
Come on. You are right. So what is y? You are right. Good. Substitution is better here. What is y? Y is equal to negative 2x plus 8 minus 3x. So y is equal to negative 5x plus 8. So when we take this y and put it here, negative 3x plus 2 times negative 5x plus 8, negative 10. So negative 3x, negative 10x plus 16, negative 10. So negative 13x is equal negative 26. So x is positive 2. When x is positive 2, put it here. It means that negative 5 to negative 10 plus 8. So it will be negative 2. Y is negative 2. So x is 2. Y is negative 2. So x times y, negative 4. Part C. Now it's okay now. Yeah, it's okay. Tamam?
Yes.
Okay, I'm passing the problems now. Where it was problems. Let's go. A restaurant has 2 types of tables. So let me say table 1, table 2. Rectangular ones that can each sit 4 people. There is rectangular one and there is a circular one. So that can each sit 4 people. So here 4 people. And circle tables that can each sit 8 people. Here 8 people. Okay. Now 144 people are enough to fill all 30 tables. So let me say X rectangle I have, Y circle I have. I don't know X and Y. But what I know, since one rectangular 4 people, X rectangular 4X people. One circular 8 people, Y circular will be 8Y people, and totally it will be 144. Am I right? Let's check. 144 people are enough to fill all 30 tables. What is 30 tables? Means X plus Y is equal to 30. Since it says that all means all of them, totally 30. So X amount, Y amount, totally 30. So the question, how many rectangular tables does the restaurant have? Rectangle I call X, so the question is find X. Yeah. What can we do? I can do this one. First of all, 4, 844. Can I divide this by 4x, 2y, 3, 4, 12, 24, 4, 6. So x, y, 30. Just subtract. X minus x, 0. 2y minus y, y. 36 minus 36, y is 6. If y is 6, x will be 24. 24 plus 6 makes 30. So result is D. Check it one more time, all the things by yourself.
Yes, it's correct.
Everybody is agree? Everyone's agree? Tamam. Okay, what about 18? On a math test with 30 questions, so totally 30 questions. 5 points are rewarded for each correct answer. So let's say true and false. So each true question, I will have 5 points, and 2 points are deducted for each incorrect. For the false, minus 2 points, okay, for each. Now, if James answered all the questions, so all the questions answers, and score is 59. So let's say like this. How many true? I don't know. Let's say X. How many false? I don't know. Let's say Y. And what I know, it says that on a math test there are 30. So if 30, wrong and right, totally must be 30. So this is satisfied. This is satisfied. This is, so result could be all of them, A, B, C, D. Alt dakika şey biraz. Just 1 second please.
I would like to see how many students participate in the class.
Hello. How many students are there? Now 8. It was 18, I think, at the beginning. Now 8.
Who is in the class?
Who is in the class? Let's check.
Hello, Mister.
Shahed, Osama, Omar, Galia, Hams, Ömer Abdulani, Rama, Sarah.
Shahad, did you take the test before?
SAT test. Who has taken before, guys? SAT.
Me, I did.
Sarah did.
Okay, all right.
Anyone else?
No.
How many of you will take it in December?
Me.
Sarah.
Take it on.
Sarah, how was your score? Can you send me private chat screen? Or just tell it if it's not a problem.
It's 1,140.
1,140. What about the math part? How was it?
I don't remember.
She doesn't remember.
I don't remember. to be
Okay.
honest.
Tamam.
I took it last year.
Any other question, hocam?
No, thanks.
Bye bye.
Waiting for you.
Tamam, inşallah. Okay, so the difference is we have to check the second part. How can I check? Be careful now. Very simple logic. If one question right, I got 5 points. If 2 questions right, I got 10 points. If 3 questions right, I got 15 points. So what is the rule then? If I have X right question, I have 5X. Is it okay?
Yes.
Yes, no?
Yes.
It's okay, 5X. Good. So do I have 5X in C? No. Eliminate C. Do I have 5X here? Yes, yes, yes. So I am sure that it's not C. Now, for each Y, for each false answer, deducted 2 points, minus 2 points. So 1 false answer, minus 2, 2, negative 4, 3 false answer, minus 6, 4, minus 8. So Y wrong answer means 2 times Y. So 5X minus 2Y I should have. Do I have here? Yes. Do I have here? No. Do I have here? Yes. So the answer is A or D.
D because equal 50.
So the answer is directly D. But by the way, let's check. He got or she got whatever, 59 points. So right answers, wrong answers, 59. So the answer is D. Okay, not difficult. Just try to create your own scenario, your own, how can I say, table. Okay, read, write, read, write. So question says there are 30 questions, 5 points rewarded for each correct. When I see correct, that means true, false. So say it true and false. And then each correct 5 points. So I don't know how many correct. Let us say X correct. So instead of y, by the way, you can say directly 30 minus x. If totally there are 30 questions, wrong one is 30 minus x. But since when I check the alternatives, everything is in terms of x and y, for that reason I said y. Okay, I can even solve the question by 30 minus x. Neyse, I don't want to confuse your mind. Let's go on now. Question number 19, for example. Let us read. What is 19?
Sir, you're muted.
Okay, it says that 19. Okay, 19 says what? Let's see. A game of darts rewards points depending on which region is hit. There are two regions. So let me say region A, region B. A and B shown above. James threw 3 darts. Okay, let us underline this. Hitting the region A once and region B twice. So it says James. That means there are two different people or just James. Okay, let me say James.
There's James.
1 and 2. James once and region B twice. For a total of 18 points. 18 points. Okay, so a total of 18 points. But what I don't know this. Region A, how many points? I don't know. Let's say X point. Okay, I don't know how many points. And region B, let's say Y points. So if he got just one hit in the region A, and if region A gives X point, it means I will have 1 times X. And if he got 2 regions in B, and 1 region in B is let's say 2 points, and if he got Y, I confuse, okay, 2 times, but each of them Y point, that means 2 times Y. And it says that he got 18 totally, so it must be 18. Till here, do you have any question? How
No.
did I write this?
No.
Any question? No. Okay. Oleg, someone else. So let me say Oleg now. Also throws 3 darts, but hits region A twice. So twice means 2 times X then for the new guy, since region A gives X point. And region B once. That means region B once means 1 times Y. And total 21 points equals 21. This is also finished. Now, what is the question? How many points are rewarded for hitting region B once? So if you hit the region B only 1, what is your point? So region B is what we call Y point. So 1 times Y. It means that simply what is Y? What is Y? This is the question. So how can we find system? Let me copy down here. Even you can use substitution. Even you can use something else. So let me use now x plus 2y 18 and 2x plus y is 21. So which one let us use, substitution or elimination? Elimination let me use. If I multiply by -2, -2x, +2x, 0x, -2 and 2y, -4y, plus 1y, -3y, -2 and 18, -36, plus 21. So it will be, tell me, -15, I think. So -3y, -15, only y is +5. 15 over 3, 5. So question was find y, so we found it. Is there an answer? No. It's classical question. The answer is y. Or how can I solve? So I can say that y is equal to 2x plus y is 21. So y is equal to 21 minus 2x. So put it here. So x plus 2 times 21 minus 2x is equal to 18. So 18 equals x plus 42 minus 4x. So 4x and 1x will be negative 3x. 42, if I take the other side, negative 42. So negative 42 plus 18. Negative 42, 18, it will be 34. No, 24, right? Yes, negative 24 is negative 3x. So 1x is negative 24 divided by negative 3, only 8. When x is 8, what is y? Y is 21 minus 2 times x, 2 times 8. So 21 minus 16. So what is 21 minus 16? 5. So you see, y is 5. That's it, finished. I mean, different ways you can try, but better elimination, better the system. Let me solve it again, or you understand the first way. The second way is long here. The first way, which is multiplying by negative 2, the first equation, negative 2x and negative 2, and for negative 4y, negative 36, and 2x plus y is 21. When I add them, these and this simplify, negative 3y is equal to negative 15. So y is directly 5. Finished. Okay?
Okay.
That's it. Let us continue. Any more questions, or let us finish the lesson? What do you think? We solved lots of questions. I think it's enough. Tamam. Inshallah, next week, what are we going to do? We will start the number 10, inequalities. Okay, we will talk about the inequalities, shaded region, system of inequalities. We will, inshallah, finish this.
Mr.
Tamam. There are lots of things here.
Mr. Can
you what?
Mr. Can you solve question 11?
Question loudly, I can't hear.
Question 11.
11, let's look. Question 11, where is it?
Let's see what is the solution.
Okay, I'm looking. 11.
Yeah, here.
It's okay. Let's solve it. I said actually, instead of y, just put it. Let's do it. 4x minus 1/3 y. What is y now? 4x plus 16 equals negative 8. Substitution. I took and I put it here. So for what can I do? For example, since denominator is 3, multiply by 3, both sides. Multiply by 3. 3 times 4, 12x. 3 and 3 simplify, minus 4x plus 16. And by 3, negative 24. Is it okay, first step? Since I don't want denominator for that reason. And then 12x minus 4x minus 16 is negative 24. 12 and 4, 8x. Take the negative 16 other side. So 20, 30, 36, 40. So 40, 8 times what? 40? Of course, 5. 8 times 5, 4. So x must be 5. But there is no 5 here. Okay, let me start from the beginning then. Calculation mistake maybe. Okay, how can we solve? One more time. 4 times x minus 1/3 times y. So what is y? 4x plus 16 is equal to negative 8. I am saying that the best thing is multiply this by 3. So 3 times 4x minus 3 times 1/3. And this is 16. And 3 times negative 8. So 12x. These and this simplify. And minus 4x minus 16 is negative 24. So 8x, 24 plus 16. So what will be? 8, right? Negative 8. Negative 8 or not? Negative 8. So 8x is negative 8. 1x is negative 1. So do I have negative 1? Only here. So result must be B. But to be sure, let's check. When x is negative 1, put it here. 4 times negative 1 plus 16, negative 4 plus 16, so positive 12. So this is positive 12. So finished.